If you're tired of uneven stovetops, slow heating, and wasting energy every time you cook, this might be the smartest kitchen upgrade you'll see today. I've been testing the Nuwave PIC Double Portable 1800 watts induction cooktop, and it completely changes how fast, precise, and efficient cooking can be, whether you're at home, in an apartment, RV, or even hosting a dinner party. The purchase link is available in the description below. This isn't just another portable burner. The Nuwave PIC Double gives you two full-sized 8-inch induction heating coils with independent controls, delivering serious cooking power in a sleek, compact design. Let's talk about what makes this induction cooktop stand out. First, precision. You get 94 temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. That means you can gently keep a sauce warm at 100 degrees or crank it up to 575 degrees for steakhouse-level searing. Most stovetops don't give you that kind of control, and here's the game changer. You can adjust temperature and time on the fly. Want it hotter? Increase it instantly. Need more cook time? Add it without restarting. The intuitive digital controls respond immediately, making this one of the most user-friendly induction cooktops on the market. Now let's break down the standout features. Dual 8-inch heating coils for true double burner cooking. Independent control panels for each side. 94 precise temperature settings. 100 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Up to 96 programmable temperature options. Shatter-proof ceramic glass surface. Automatic shutoff and built-in safety features. 85, 90% energy transfer efficiency with two separate control panels. You can boil pasta on one side while simmering sauce on the other, each at completely different temperatures. Each side supports cookware up to 25 pounds, so you're not limited to small pans. Efficiency is where induction technology really shines. The Nuwave PIC Double transfers about 85 to 90% of its electromagnetic energy directly into heat. Traditional stovetops only convert around 30%. That means faster cooking times, lower energy use, and less wasted heat in your kitchen. And because induction heats the cookware directly, there are no open flames and no exposed coils. The surface stays much cooler compared to gas or electric stovetops, significantly reducing burn risks. If you remove the cookware, it stops heating. If you forget to turn it off, it shuts down automatically when the timer ends. That's built-in peace of mind. The 11.5-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass surface is another highlight. It's heavy-duty, rigorously tested to withstand high temperatures, and easy to wipe clean. No scrubbing burner grates. No baked-on spills around coils. Just a smooth surface that looks modern and professional. One of the most impressive aspects is Nuwave's patented insulation technology. The slim design brings the induction coils closer to your cookware, ensuring faster and more even heating. That means no hot spots, no cold zones, just consistent cooking results every time. This makes it ideal for small kitchens or studio apartments. RV living or travel cooking. Outdoor entertaining with power access. Dorm rooms, where induction is allowed. Home chefs who want precise temperature control. Anyone looking to reduce energy consumption. And because it's portable, you can store it away when not in use. It gives you the flexibility of a traditional stovetop without being permanently installed. If you love cooking delicate sauces, tempering chocolate, sous vide style temperature control, or achieving restaurant-quality sears, the Nuwave PIC Double Induction Cooktop delivers professional-level precision in a compact format. Bottom line, this is not just a portable burner. It's a powerful, high-tech cooking system that gives you control, speed, safety, and efficiency, all at once. If you're ready to cook faster, safer, and smarter, this could be the upgrade your kitchen has been missing. Click the link in the description to check current pricing and availability. And if you enjoy in-depth reviews of innovative kitchen tech, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Upgrade your cooking experience today. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.